Price $599 US. Launch date March 2026. Display 6.7 to 6.72 inch Super AMOLED FHD+, 120Hz refresh rate. Chipset Exynos 1680, 4 nanometers. GPU Xclipse series. RAM and storage 8 GB plus 128 GB, 12 GB plus 256 GB. Rear cameras triple setup, 64 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 5 megapixel macro. Front camera 32 megapixel. Battery 6000 mAh, 45 watts fast charging. Build Gorilla Glass Victus Plus front and back, IP68 water dust resistance. Operating system Android 16, One UI 8. Other features: in-display fingerprint sensor, NFC, stereo speakers. Summary: the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is expected to arrive in March 2026 with a sleek design, a powerful Exynos 1680 processor, a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED 120Hz display, and a massive 6,000 mAh battery with fast charging. It may also feature a 64MP triple camera setup, 32MP selfie shooter, and premium durability with IP68 rating. Positioned in the mid-range segment, it's shaping up to be one of Samsung's most exciting upcoming smartphones. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech news, leaks, and smartphone reviews.